the aft deck we have 2 additional deck lockers, even more storage, and it's quite big lockers even here. A wrap over window here into the aft cabin, which means you have 2 opening deck hatches, 2 skylights, letting light into the aft cabin and ventilation into the aft cabin. There is also a good platform, fold-out platform, bathing platform, integrated in the transom. So it's easy to move around on the deck. Here, the top shrouds and the lowers are separated. That's a Hallberg-Rassy invention. That makes it easy to pass here on the deck. The passage is easy. And it's easy for the head sail to be sheeted this way as well. And you get a wide base for the spreaders and the stays of the main, the mast. So that gives extra stability to the mast. On the foredeck, it's very clean and uncluttered. The whole deck is very clean and uncluttered. All the deck edges are flush mounted. The anchor windlass is flush mounted below the decks. The electric furler for the head sail is below decks. There is an integrated bow nose for bowsprit for lightning sail and for anchor, and also for a good platform for a bow ladder, so it's easy to enter the boat even from that way. Navigation lights are mounted in a way that they are very well protected. The cleats are installed on top of the teak tow rail, and the same goes for the stanchions, and that arranges for a very, very wide and clean side deck. We have all the deck hatches flush mounted with the boat. We have port lights also in the front end of the superstructure in the saloon. Opening port lights so you get fresh air into the boat while at anchor. We have separated the top shrouds and the lowers. You get a wide spreader base which arranges for even better stability of the mast and rigging. You have good handholds everywhere. Here you have a step here, and it's also the place for the electric motor for the electric winch, so it doesn't interfere with the headroom into the aft cabin.